It's been a while I've not dropped a video here, and I know a lot of people have been asking questions, but hey, we are coming back, all right? But before I tell you why we have not been dropping videos, let me first of all help you with this. Look at the screenshot. Somebody complained to me because he saw this and he didn't understand what it means. This is a sign of copyright. I've been talking about copyright on my page and on my channel. Now I want to explain two things that are very important for you to know about copyright on your platform. There are a lot of people that are copying other people's video, or you download people's video, you post on your platform, and you might not earn from it, or you earn a very little amount of money from such videos. Number two, it's going to limit your visibility, and also it will give you a strike, copyright strike, okay? Both on YouTube, both on Facebook. When you are claimed copyright, there are two things that happens. One, you lose your visibility is limited. Number two, if you are already monetized, you're going to be having low earnings on that video because your revenue will be shared with the person that claimed copyright. Most of these big content creators are doing this on their videos, but hey, if you are not vigilant, you might not even know. People that are copying other people's video, there are checks to make before you ever think of using or uploading someone's video on your platform. Now I'm explaining this because many people don't know the impact of copyright on their videos. First, if you are somebody that reacts on videos, you should know the people. Like you can see on this screenshot that the freeze is claiming revenue from this person's post. Why? Because he literally, or he has allegedly used this person's that freezed video on his page, and that the freeze is earning from it. There are a lot of people that don't even know this, that is happening to them. There are musics you cannot use. There are videos you cannot use. People, big content creators, most of these big content creators are earning from your videos, from your post, but you don't know. Maybe because you have used something downloaded from their platform. Okay, so I came here just to remind you, don't use people's video without confirming. There are ways to know. If you want to learn how you can identify a copyrighted video to avoid it being flagged on your page or your YouTube channel or whatever platform you're using it on, please comment below and let me know. And share this video to let somebody learn. Okay? So two major things are important that I've mentioned on this video. One, the fact that your video, you will not, or if you are monetized, you will not earn money from a video that has been copyrighted. Two, your visibility will be limited because it's a strike on social media when your video or your post has been claimed copyright, okay, or copyright has been claimed on a video or something you post on your platform. God bless you and see you in the next video.